See,
All right, tell me what you did here.
I punched a hole through the side.
You punched a hole, so that's your.
Then I made this connection because I couldn't get this through the hole. I didn't want a big fucking hole in it.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want me to move the mower?
No. I mean, I'm just. So I'll remember.
This is the 50 amp wire.
50
now,
amp.
This is an upgrade for what the generator called for. This runs my whole house. So it runs my heater, my air conditioning, and I had to add this to the box.
Right. You had your electrician buddy do that, right?
Yes, and that's $600.
Yeah.
For to make this cable, all these parts.
And put the junction box in. And did they have to put another breaker on the panel for that? What happens?
Yeah, there is. It's right here, 50 amp.
50 amp breaker right there.
Yeah. So when
And it's off right now?
yes.
Okay. This is it. That's for your generator.
Yeah, you see how all the buttons are on?
Yeah.
This is on off. So when I want to turn on my generator, I hit these four big ones and I shut the main off.
Right.
The main and these four big ones.
Okay.
That's the AC oven, all the 220 stuff.
Yep.
I shut that down. Because when I'll plug this in, I'll plug it into the generator, I'll crank my generator up, then I'll come and hit this switch, and all these come on, and then I let it warm up, and then I turn these all on, and I'm good.
And so your power source is from the generator.
It's right here.
So all you did, that's off, that stays off. You turn the big ones off here.
I turn the main off.
The main.
I turn the four big ones off.
Okay.
Okay, I shut that down.
Get the generator going, let it warm
Then
up.
I should plug this in. I plug in the generator. I
Yeah.
start it up. And then I come back in. I let it run a minute. I come back in. Then I hit this switch on. Then I hit the four. And my house is on.
That's incredible. Let's go see the outside.
Well, I'm not using it in this outbuilding I built. Because I could store my generator in a garage, but it's too much.
Mm-hmm.
Too much crapola. You know, I'm a contractor. I need all the space I can get. So, this is the outbuilding. This one's empty. This is full. This is connected right now.
Okay.
All I gotta do is plug this into here.
Plug that right into there. That's right out. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so
Yep.
this goes into there.
Yep.
I turn the battery on. Where else? Battery right here. And
That's a nice box too. Oh, Ronnie knows how to build his stuff.
yeah, turn the battery on. Press the button and
Yeah.
it starts.
So that's
Okay.
a Duramax,
Duramax.
13,000 watts.
Yes,
Runs the
And-
whole house.
and it runs on gas or the propane. I put this vent
Gas
in
or
here.
propane?
Yeah, here's a switch right here.
Okay, so
I
you
go either one.
okay. How long will that propane tank run?
8-9 hours,
8 or 9 hours?
and then what? This lifts up, and that's how I put the gas in. If I want to run gas, that's where the gas
Okay.
goes.
Yep. Just raise the
And
lid.
And I built a custom, come over here. I built a custom exhaust that comes out this other vent.
Oh, right there. I see it. Okay, there it is. Yeah.
Because if I let this run in here, the carbon monoxide shuts the machine down. So I gotta
Okay,
get
yeah,
it
to
out.
stall it out. Right?
So, yeah, so
Yeah.
it's a safety device. So what I did, I put this 1x4 up there.
Right.
And I got this piece out here, but this actually.
That kind of helps vent too, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, this is from when I fill it up.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
But I got this raised up, so there's a gap all the way around there. And these
Sliding doors.
Yeah, these doors slide open.
That's like, you know.
And I got a chain down so the bad guys can't take it. And if I sell my house, I could either throw this in or take it with me.
Yeah, I mean, there's no telling. I mean, well, whoever bought the house, could you do the same thing? You know.
Yeah.
Well done, Ron. I mean, shit. Saved a fortune.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get quotes from any of the generator companies?
No, but I knew I could do it cheaper.
You did, yeah.
I'm not going to tell you the price on the camera because then.
But I know what I won't let you. I'll edit it out.
Once you shut that down, I'll tell you.
Yeah. Well, I mean, most people. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Because I'm not even factoring in my labor.
Exactly. Right. I know. Well, put it this way: they're just expensive as hell.